Yoga for managing cholesterol levels. Harmful cholesterol levels can be reduced through proper nutrition and physical exercise. In this video, we're going to talk about yoga that everyone can do. The key is to practice every day. By the way, if you're looking for a good blood pressure monitor, check out our website using the link in the description. Also, if you find this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Kapalabhati. Sit in the lotus position or another comfortable pose. Relax and breathe as follows. Take a normal breath in through your nose. Exhale sharply, squeezing your abdominal muscles as if pushing the air out. Inhale and relax your abdomen. Start with 15 to 20 breaths. You can increase this number over time. Seated spinal twist. Sit on the floor and straighten your legs. Bend your left leg and place your foot on the outside of your right knee or thigh. Press your right arm against the outside of the left thigh. Twist your torso to the left. After 6 breaths, switch sides. Do this several times. Seated frontward bend. Sit on the floor, legs straight. Exhale and lean forward while trying to bring your belly to your thighs and your forehead to your knees. Stretch out your back. Grab your toes with your hands or place them beside you. Bend as far as you can. With regular practice, you'll be able to go deeper into this stretch. Hold this position for 6 to 8 breaths. Supported shoulder bridge. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips so that your thighs are parallel to the floor. Bend your knees at a 90-degree angle. Distribute your weight between your feet and shoulders. Keep your neck relaxed and don't put all your weight on it. Stay in this position for 4 to 8 breathing cycles. Cobra Pose. Lie on your stomach. Place your hands under your shoulders. Fingers forward. Draw your shoulders back, down, and bring your shoulder blades together. Lift your chest off the floor, directing it upward and forward. Your legs and hips should be pressed to the floor, with only the upper part of your torso lifted. Hold this pose for 8 to 10 breaths. Downward facing dog. Start on all fours, then lift your knees and distribute your body weight between your hands and toes. Plank pose. Then move your hips back and up so that your arms are in line with your spine when viewed from the side. Stay in this position for 6 to 8 breaths before moving on to the next pose. Child's pose. Sit on your heels. Without lifting your buttocks from your heels, lean forward and rest your forehead on the floor. If uncomfortable, you can stack your fists and rest your forehead on them. Stay in this pose for several breathing cycles. Be sure to watch our other videos on cholesterol control and leave your questions in the comments. And remember to like this video if you found this information helpful. Stay healthy.